So this is the Anello Backpack in a regular size in the color blue. Yeah, I think this is light blue in person. It has zipper pocket right here. And it has green lining. It's very spacious. And then it has the main compartment right here in a green lining too. I think this is apple green. It has 2 slip pocket right here. I think this is big enough for my phone or other things that I wanted to put inside this pocket. And right here, because this is in regular size, it's very deep, as you can see. And then now I can close it like this. And it has another slip pocket on the side, good enough for my umbrella, or this one for my water bottle. So that's it. It is very beautiful. And there's another zip pocket, not zip pocket, this is another zipper right here. I think this is an entryway for the main compartment of the bag. If you want to get something easy, maybe you can get it from this zipper right here. And then this bag has a nice strap. I think the combination of this beige or something nude color and then the light blue is really nice. So I'm gonna try to fit it. So this is how big the bag is. I'm 5'1" and can cover my body. So let's try.